lot of people were trying to figure it out. So I made a beat called Take Me Away. If you can hear a piece of that, you probably can hear what song it is. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal what song it is right here. If you know what that is right there, then you know I remixed it basically, and I flipped it, you know, and I came up. So I used Cameo Strange in order to make that beat. Basically, it's Cameo Strange. I went through this AI app. It's called Moises. The bass was separated. The other instruments were separated. And then I just flipped it on my own. When it came down to the bass, for the bass, you know, you got this part. That's where you get that. I have the guitars here. Just like that. What? On top of that, you know, I added little effects. If you can hear real close, you'll hear that I used Air Flavor Pro because, you know, the sample now has like that little staticky vinyl sound. And that's about it. That's what makes the track. Probably in another video, I'll go over the Moises app and how you can use it to actually pull tracks away. And that's how people are doing things anyway. They are taking full tracks, putting them in these AI apps, and they're pulling the instruments apart. And then what they're doing is to make them sound good, they filter, because you get a lot of data loss in the sound. The bass doesn't sound as good, it's really muffled. But if you filter the bass down, if you not just filter the bass down, but if you do high-pass filters on some of the instruments and things of that nature, then back off just a bit, you'll get a better sound. And that's what's happening, because it really doesn't sound that good. If you want to make great bass lines, then you watch this video right here, okay? If you want to hear about things that you didn't know, make sure you watch this video right here. Peace.